MIM Construction has worked with crash dynamics and crash safety since 1986. We know what it takes to protect you and your family when you travel with your dog. Variocage is strategically engineered to help ensure pet and passenger safety. In a front-end collision, a dog crate in the cargo area will thrust forward towards the rear seat. The potential loss of your dogs, as well as potential injury to you and other passengers, depends on the design, integrity, and safety features of your dog's crate. Variocage compresses and absorbs energy in a controlled manner in response to its own weight. The cage remains intact, keeping your dogs contained without direct impact, therefore minimizing any potential injury. A crate can be smashed to pieces as it crashes against the vehicle's interior walls or ceiling. A shattered crate will not contain your dogs, thus allowing them to escape through a broken window, potentially running into dangerous traffic or running away. The robust design and engineering of Variocage enables it to withstand the forces generated in a rollover. Variocage maintains its integrity while keeping the doors closed. Your dogs remain safely contained until they can be saved. In this scenario, a dog crate positioned behind the rear seat becomes a battering ram and sabotages the vehicle's rear seat protection. The crate can splinter and break, potentially injuring or killing your dogs. The crate's force against the head of the rear seat passenger can significantly intensify whiplash. The crate can pierce through the back seat and cause serious injury to the lumbar spine or internal organs of rear seat passengers. The Variocage works in tandem with the car's safety features and compresses in a controlled manner, protecting the rear seat from forces generated by the crate. This keeps the back seat intact and minimizes the passenger's risk of injury. While the crate compresses, it maintains its integrity while keeping the doors closed. Your commitment to your pet is for life. So is ours.